In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. A friend of mine was walking in the park, and there were almost at that time no one else was there. Maybe hardly one or two people will be there, but probably no one was there. Faisal, my friend, is a very outspoken person. It's not easy to win an argument in front of him. He speaks loudly, he speaks fluently, he speaks soundly. He is not aged, in the 40s. During that time, few youngsters on their motorbikes did a nuisance behavior with him, treated him roughly. Although he was walking on the walking track, the motorbikes were there. They disrespected him. This friend of mine, who is so brave, who is intelligent, who is outspoken, who is very blunt, despite all these qualities, he remained silent, did not do the tit for tat, did not try to take the revenge on the spot, remained very patient, exercised the best of patience. He was actually handling the incident and these people in quite a sensible manner. He knew that it is not being coward. If at all, I do care about the sensitivities of the moment. He knew, he understood that if at all I do take care of the sensitivities of the moment, I am not being coward. And fighting these people, it's not bravery. Being intelligent means that you know the sensitivities of the moment on the one hand, and you do take care of these on the other hand. Being careful and cautious, exercising silence. Silence is something which is practiced by the intelligent people. Silence at many occasions. Silence at many occasions is practiced not by the coward but by the intelligent, by the wise people. Understanding the sensitivities of the moment, understanding the sensitivities of the moment, it is not being coward at all. It is being intelligent, it is being wise. That is why the Faisal like person, an outspoken, brave, healthy, active, energetic, blunt person, remained silent in front of the few teenagers who were doing the hooliganism. My advice, my suggestion is that always try to understand the sensitivity of the moment. If at all you are in desperate need of a taxi and the taxi is demanding too much money, obviously if you don't have time and other taxis are not available, you should try to understand the sensitivity of the moment. you have to buy something which is very necessary, very essential, and you need it urgently as well. Here too, you need to understand the sensitivity of the moment. If somebody is rough, if somebody is rude, if somebody is misbehaving, and you are unable to find some sort of help from somewhere else, it is wise to become silent, to stay silent, to be patient. If at all they are carrying the arm, if at all they are there to hurt you, if at all they don't care about their own respect and they are not going to take care of your respect as well, if at all they are not worried about their own safety and they are not going to take care of your safety as well, I think the right thing is to take the to understand the sensitivity of the moment and to remain silent and to ignore it. I'm not suggesting that because of a little bit of greed, I'm not suggesting that because of a little bit of greed, and I'm not also suggesting that wherever you are even safe, but still you don't speak, still you don't protest, and still you don't resist. I think this is being coward, this is being greedy, this is being coward. I'm not suggesting you a cowardness like this one, a greediness like this one, being timid like this one. This is not what I am suggesting you at all. There are many points where we need to where we need to be brave, and where we need to be outspoken, where we need to raise the voice of protest, where we need to raise the voice of resistance. But understanding the sensitivity of the moment is something else, and it is very necessary, it is very important. It must not be ignored at all, otherwise we will be hurt. Maybe we will be hurt beyond repair. So so there is a thin line between being brave and being able to understand the sensitivity of the moment. There is a very thin line, and it is essential, it is incumbent, it is very important for us to be able to understand the sensitivity of the moment and to be able to act upon it. It is very important, very important, very important. Never ever use your bravery without intelligence, without wisdom. Never ever try to be brave without intelligence, without being intelligent, without being wise. It is very important. Otherwise you may have to repent and regret for the rest of your life. Otherwise even your loved ones may have to repent and regret for the rest of their life for what you did. Thank you.